Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making curd curry with chicken. Oil 1 tablespoon. Chicken boneless half kg. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Green chili paste 2 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mix everything. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Medium heat for 2 minutes. Keep chicken aside. Oil 1 tablespoon. Mustard seeds half tablespoon. Cumin seeds half tablespoon. Whole red chili 2. Chopped onion 1 cup. Bunch of curry leaves. Green chili 2. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Salt as per taste. Turmeric 1 tablespoon. Saute for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Curd 1 cup. 1 cup water. Cook for 1 minute on low heat. Add fried chicken. Must try recipe in summers. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.